Guys, I've got to be honest with you. I'm not very good at this YouTube stuff. I've only had one good video, and I'm pretty sure that happened by accident. What is going on, guys? Shooting Dave here. So good to see your faces. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new here and you don't know what I'm about, well, I'm a photographer from London that now lives here in Los Angeles, and I make photo and video editing tutorials. So, if that sounds like something of interest to you, then please do consider subscribing. What is this good video that I mentioned in the intro? Well, I made a video about whether you should buy a Mavic Mini in 2020, and well, it quite literally took off. Pardon the pun. At the time of recording this video, it has just shy of 200,000 views, which for a channel of my size is enormous. Typically, I get anywhere between 300 and 500 views per video. So it's quite a difference. So let us briefly rewind to May 28th of 2020 and let's have a little look at how those views grew over time. Okay, so this graph shows the amount of views over the period of time that I uploaded it. So if we have a look on the upload date, which was actually Thursday, May 28th at 8:30 in the morning, every day that this video was up, it grew around 2,000 views, and it carried on that rate of growth all the way up to around about, what we got about here, around November, where it started to taper off a little bit. So that is quite a significant amount of views gathered over a long period of time. So all the way from May to November, that's some pretty substantial growth. And as you can see here, it is actually amassed $1,111.54 in terms of estimated revenue that I received through ad revenue. So let's have a little look at this and how it grew over time. Now, I wasn't actually monetized at the launch of this video. It did actually take a while before I got approved by Google, all the way in June 9th to be exact. So this is where money started coming in. And as you can see, money was quite literally rolling in for the first couple of days, earning me a massive $4.30 on the first day. But this started to climb as more and more people started to watch. And I think if we carry on going all the way through, yeah, you can see how it's climbing all the way to roughly where it's peak. Now, traffic here has started to die off. I'm not actually receiving anywhere near the amount of views. My monthly revenue has dropped down significantly. At the height of this video, along with my regularly published videos, I was earning about $280 a month, whereas now I've dropped below $50 a month. So you can see how much of a difference having a relevant video will make to your revenue stream. Okay, so this video was pretty popular, but why was that? Well, largely I think that was down to good timing. You see, the Mavic Air 2 had just been announced. Now, anytime DJI announces a new product, there is a lot of buzz and excitement, and I think my video piggybacked on that by people wanting to dip their toe into the world of drones. And for those people, the Mavic Air 2 might have just been a little bit too expensive, and the cheapest drone on the market was, well, it was my drone, the Mavic Mini. So I think it's fair to say that I definitely piggybacked the announcement of the Mavic Air 2. Although that was complete fluke, I had no idea that the Mavic Air 2 was being announced, so I can't really take any credit for it. Okay, so what made this a good video? Was it my devilishly handsome good looks? No, obviously not. Well, the irony here is that this video isn't really a good video at all. I was completely overexposed the entire way through. A rookie mistake. But what I did manage to do in under 10 minutes was list off basically every single pro and con that there was with the Mavic Mini. I was trying to approach people like you, photographers, hobbyists, whoever you are. I wanted to make sure that I was delivering as many facts to you guys that were based on the real world experience rather than just reading off of a spec sheet. But sometimes good information just isn't enough, so I needed to keep your attention during that video. So I threw in a bunch of cool transitions and nice color grading and some special effects in there to make sure that you stayed and remained interested all the way through the video. Essentially, what I was trying to do was keep people interested whilst I pretended to know what I was talking about. So does that mean that I have all of the cheat codes that there are for YouTube and now I know how to nail down successful videos? Well, if you look at any of my latest video view counts, you can see that is quite obviously not the case. Maybe if I had a crystal ball and an unlimited flow of cash, I might have the potential to make more videos like that. But for now, I will just have to settle with making these kind of videos and, well, guessing my way through the world of YouTube. But I do have something to work towards, and quite frankly, I would love to have the same success in 2021. Hopefully, I can get at least one, maybe even 2 videos to have the same sort of success in 2021. That would be nice. Anyway guys, that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I am @ShootingDave, and as always guys, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.